Look at this landing page made by Claude. That too using just one prompt. Claude has just turned into full-blown design tool rivaling Figma, Canva, Lovable and many more. Anthropic has dropped something called Claude Design and it can literally build websites, web apps and even mobile UI from inside the chat itself. And here is the crazy part. It might finally fix Claude's biggest weakness, front-end design. In this video, I will show you in a step-by-step manner exactly how it works, how you can build such a landing page, doing everything live. So you can try it yourself and see what it is actually capable of. Hey everyone, I am Nitin and you are watching the AI University. If you are new here, I have spent years building real-world machine learning and AI applications. So let's start with basics. Claude Design is Anthropic's visual design environment. It competes directly with tools like Google Stitch and Lovable, and it gives you graphical interface to create web apps, websites, mobile designs, slide decks, and presentations, all through Claude. If you have followed Anthropic and Claude Code closely, you know front-end design has always been one of the visible weak spots. Seeing Anthropic build a dedicated product to tackle that directly tells you exactly where they are taking this platform. Claude Design was built with Opus 4.7 as its backbone. It's available on Pro Max through enterprise plans. You can even download your entire Claude Code Design project in a zip folder, in a PDF format, PowerPoint and Canva. Now here is something that gets glossed over in most coverage of this tool, and I think it's one of the most genuinely useful feature available. It's the brand design system. If you already have product or website with established visual identity, you can point Claude Design at your code base. You can drop in a GitHub link, drag your local project folder directly into interface, or manually upload your fonts, logos and brand guidelines. Claude Design will then extract your color palette, your typography choices and your visual style and use all of that as foundation for everything it builds. So instead of getting generic looking layouts that have nothing to do with your brand, you get designs that already look like they belong to your product. For anyone doing client work or building on an existing design system, that alone is a significant time saver. To get in, you just go to the URL claude.ai/design. The interface is clean. On the left hand side, you will see various options like prototype, slide deck, from template and other. So this is the slide deck, from template and other. And this is where the brand design system setup lives. Say you want to build something from scratch. You start a new prototype, name it, and immediately you are given two paths: a rough wireframe or a high fidelity mockup. Most of the time, if you want to see something polished, go straight to the high fidelity. That's where the interesting part begins. So I will name the project as Advertise Me. Click on create, and here you will see various options. To start with, context. So we want to give some context for our design to be built up, and options are design system, add screenshots, attach code base, drag in a Figma file. So I will start with adding a screenshot for reference, and if you want, you can attach your own sample code base if you have one on your computer, but for my case I'm just going to attach or add a screenshot, and this is the screenshot that I have added on Claude Design interface. So this is the one which is of AdBlitz AI, and I wanted to refer this particular screenshot. So that's what I have attached here. You can see that it is shown here on the right hand side. And again, I gave the name of the project as Advertise Me based on the screenshot that I have attached. Right now, I don't know if the website with this name Advertise Me already exists. I gave the hypothetical name randomly. So now the next part is to give it a prompt. So as you can see here, I have given this prompt: please design an interactive landing page for advertising agency called as Advertise Me based on the screenshot attached. Use the latest front-end expertise to build this page. It should have a nav bar, hero section, tools, marquee, stats, benefits, testimonial, join CTA and footer. So now press send. So as you can see here, it has provided some kind of a plan, right? This is almost identical to plan mode inside Claude Code. You will not get such feature in Google Stitch or any other platform. So once it starts building, a progress tracker appears on the left hand side, similar to watching Claude Code work through a task in plan mode step by step. And here is an important detail. This tool only exists in web app. It is not available in the terminal because of the graphical nature of what it is doing, right? So the reason tools like Lovable and Replit have grown so fast is simple. They give you a visual medium to work in. You see options, you can point at something, you can select the things and change the things. Even you can provide the screenshots as well there, right? Claude Design gives you exactly that, and now it lives natively inside the Claude ecosystem, which means it can feed directly into Claude Code on the backend. Oh, before moving forward, just a quick note. If you are a marketer, brand or creator who is spending weeks and thousands of dollars on creating video ads that are slow and hard to scale, then you should try this platform known as AdBlitz AI. You can generate cinematic, affordable, high converting ads in minutes. No team, no editing, no production cost. Try it for free. Link is in the description section. So now you can see that my results have came back and the layout is really sharp. You can see that it has created the entire system. Sections that I asked to be added, you can see that it has added all those sections here as it has highlighted them as well, right? So here is the hero section, right? Then we have these various links, sign in option, a little small logo that it has created by its own. Then this is the sample video placeholders. Then we have this marquee as well that I asked to add, and then we have the stats section here, and then the benefits section, right? And then it has added this testimonial section, a CTA section, and the footer as well. So it's a very beautiful landing page it has created. Right now we can make some tweaks or edit this web page as well. So let me open it in full screen mode and you can see this page really clearly. Right now, earlier you were able to see this tweaks pop up, right? You can just turn it off or on. So as you can see here, we have this grid overlay option. If I turn it on, you can see that these grid lines appearing here, right? Let me turn it off, and using the accent hue, you can change the color of these underlines. So for example, right now it is orange. You can change it to green, blue, anything, right? So these are the accent hues. So if I scroll up, you can see these lines. You can change these colors using this accent hue, right? So these are the kind of tweaks you can make. In fact, the color of me and advertise me also you can change. Right now, if you want to make more edits, one way is to write the prompt on the left hand side here to make the adjustment or changes on the web page. And then we have this option as well, edit option, right? So you can utilize this edit option to make the changes. So if let us say we change the background to red, then you can see the background is changed as red, right? Actually I don't like the red color, so let's keep it black only, be white. Okay, so that's what you can do, and then you can change the fonts, base size, so on and so forth. And for each and everything you don't need to type a prompt here. There are certain adjustments that you can do using these edit button, right? Or you can even use the comment. So for example, if you want to change the text inside this, you can just type change the text to advertise me, and then if you send it to Claude, click on send to Claude, it will make the changes accordingly, right? So you see that it is scrambling here on the left hand side. So using this comments mode, you click anywhere on the canvas, leave a comment, and those comments stack up in the queue in the Claude Design, and when you are ready, you send the whole batch to the Claude at once. So that is one of the feature, and it reads all the feedback together and applies everything in a single pass. So that's a smarter workflow than firing off individual prompts and waiting for each one to finish. Then we have this draw functionality as well. So you can just draw something here or a sketch directly onto the canvas, rough out a shape, indicate where you want an element, show the direction of a visual flow, and Claude interprets it and builds from it. Now let's say you have created your entire project and there are a lot of files here on the left in the middle, right? Just like we have this advertiseme.html. So you can download those files as a zip file, or you can export it as PDF, send it to Canva, or you can export it as a standalone HTML. In fact, you have this PPTX option as well. So if you click on download as zip file, it will be downloaded as a zip file here. So you see here, it has been downloaded. And this is sometimes required when you want to upload your project on GitHub, right? So at that time, you would require these files as a zip file, and sometimes you want to create certain presentations. At that time you might require the PDF or PPT of it. Now friends, if you're looking for saving the Claude Code token cost, because you might have a $20 plan or $100 plan, and you might be facing an issue where your sessions are getting exhausted really quickly on a 5-hour window or on a weekly basis as well. So if you want to save some cost and stay ahead of session limits, then you can watch this video. I have also created another video where I have showed you how to basically use Claude Code for free, so you can watch this video there. So moving on, now if you have been avoiding UI work because the code first workflow felt too disconnected from how design actually happens in your head, Claude Code changes that equation. If this was useful, hit like, because it genuinely helps this channel reach more people. Subscribe if you haven't already, and drop your questions or reactions in the comments below. I'm always down there reading them. See you in the next one. Thank you.